Hello. Axis Industries welcomes you to a virtual journey around the 3 biggest cities of Lithuania. Are you ready? Great. Let's start from Vilnius, the capital of Lithuania. Right now, we are above the Old Town, which was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1994, and being 360 hectares, is one of the biggest Baroque old towns in Eastern and Central Europe. We just landed on the Upper Castle Hill, also known as Gediminas Tower. If you look around, you will see the Neris River splitting Vilnius into 2 different parts. On the one side of the river is a modern part of the city, with skyscrapers in the view. While on the other side, we again see the charming old town, where we are heading next. At the moment, we are standing in the Pilaeus Street, one of the most beloved tourist attraction sites in Vilnius. Now, let's move to the modern part, Europa Square. Also called the business district of Vilnius, this part of the city includes space for modern dwelling houses, retail stores, business centers, and the symbol of this district, the famous Europa Tower, which is 129 meters high. Europa Square is a symbol of Vilnius as a true modern European city. Awesome! We came just in time to witness hot air balloons taking off. If you didn't know, Vilnius is the only capital in Europe where you can see hot air balloons flying above the city's roofs. We are also proud to be the best providers of public Wi-Fi. Moreover, 80% of Lithuania's population speaks the English language, and 50% of the population knows at least 2 languages. That's why in 2016, Vilnius was recognized as the most dynamically developing service center in Central and Eastern Europe. The development of the city induces to move forward. Therefore, we, Axis Industries, aim to progress. We are innovative, effective, and positive. Inspired by the city, we work with drive. Our virtual tour has reached the 2nd city, Kaunas. What differs Kaunas from other cities is that it is located at the confluence of the Nemunas and Neris rivers, and it is the only Lithuanian city that is a member of the Hanseatic League. Kaunas Old Town. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Let's have another short break and just gaze at the sun rising, waking up the city. Kaunas is not only the city of tradition, but also an important center of innovation, education, and industry. The building in front of you represents that the best. Santaka Valley is a national open access center of science, research, and experimental development. Let's go inside to check out the exhibition. Among all the inventions, the first Lithuanian ultrasonic water meter, created in 1992 by Axis Industries and Kaunas University of Technology, is displayed. For Axis Industries group of companies, as well as for the city of Kaunas, innovation were always the driving force. Let's visit Axis Industries to find out more. You are now witnessing how ultrasonic heat and water metering devices are being assembled. The first one was created in 1992. And since then, more than 2.5 million water metering devices, 300,000 heat registration devices, and more than 350,000 remote control data receivers have been produced. Axis Industries contains an innovation division where more than 60 specialists are employed. Each year, the company offers new or modified water and heat metering devices that work in more than 30 countries around the world, from Latvia to Malaysia, Thailand, and Japan. Our last stop is Klaipėda. The 3rd largest Lithuanian city is established on the coast of the Baltic Sea. We are standing on a cliff called Dutchman's Cap, which is 24.4 meters of height, located on the coast of the Baltic Sea, and is listed as a nature heritage object. Take a moment to look around. This place is special. You can admire the beautiful landscapes and feel the fresh sea air. Parnadis Sand Dune, one of the most unique and popular sites of the Curonian Spit. It is 52 meters high. If you look around, you'll see a 13 meters high sun clock. Its location was chosen not accidentally, as this is the only place in Lithuania where the sun goes down and rises from the water. Axis Industries contributes to the preservation of this astonishing and unique site by creating a technology that aims to preserve nature. Throughout the years, Axis Industries has built more than 200 boiler plants that use biofuel. Biofuel is the oldest type of fuel known to man. It also preserves the environment and contributes to the global mission of air cleaning. Axis Industries also builds other industrial objects. Look around and you will see one being built as we speak. We are inside the control and monitoring room, where you can see several smart industrial services, such as data collection and analysis, solutions for automation, information technologies for the operation of business, and industrial processes provided by Axis Industries. This virtual tour embodies Axis Industries' vision and mission to become a global partner and advisor in the engineering field. We strive for our products and solutions to be implemented in every continent. Thanks for being with us on this journey. Yours, Axis Industries Group of Companies.